In this video we are going to learn about arithmetic progressions, exercise 1.2, problem number 1. As you can see, they have given values for a, d and n, and we need to find out the value of an. We know that formula to find out value of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. All we need to do is we have to substitute the values. Value of a is 7 plus n is 8, d is 3. So what we will do is we will do this 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. 7 plus 7 into 3 is 21, 28. Therefore, value of an is 28. You might have observed in this video, we have done this first. 8 minus 1 bracket, that is 7 into 3. So this is based on a rule called as BODMAS, where first we have to do whatever is inside the bracket. We have to solve that. You cannot directly multiply 3 into 8 or 3 into 1. You have to do first 8 minus 1 7, then multiply with 3. In another video I will explain this BODMAS principle in detail. I hope this problem is clear to you. Thank you. In this video we will look into the arithmetic progression exercise 1.2, problem number 2. As you can see, they are given value for a, value for n and value for an, and we have to find out the value for d. What we will do is we will use the same formula and we will substitute the values. Value for an is 0, I will substitute 0. Value for a is minus 18, I will substitute minus 18, plus open the bracket, value for n is 10, so 10 minus 1 into d I will write as it is. Now I will just go here, I will write this 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, so 9 into d. Now as you can see, here I have 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9 into d is 9d. So this is a separate thing. I will keep this here only. I will take this minus 18 on this side. So this will become plus 18. Minus 18, if it comes this side, it becomes plus 18. Here you have 9 into d as it is. 9 into d as it is. In the next step what I will do, I want d, or to make it easy I will write this side. I will write 9d is equal to 18. Here it was 18 is equal to 9d. Now I am writing 9d is equal to 18. Both are same. I want the value of d. So d is equal to, I have 18 here. Here it is 9d means 9 into d. It is multiplied here. So if you send 9 this side, it will get divided. So it will be 18 divided by 9. So you know that 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So value of d is 2. Therefore, value of d is equal to 2. Thank you. In this problem, we are going to solve exercise 1.2, problem number 3. In this problem, they have given value of d, n and an, and we have to find out value of a. Let us substitute in the formula. An is minus 5 is equal to a, we don't know. So we will write a as it is, plus in the bracket n means 18 minus 1 into d. D means minus 3. To be on safer side, I will write it inside the bracket. Okay. So now what I will do, I will write this as it is, minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 is 17. I will write inside the bracket. 17 into minus 3. I will write this again, same thing. Now you have to observe this 17 has plus here, but this 3 has minus. So we know that plus into minus is equal to minus. So this plus into minus will be minus 17 into 3. 17 into 3 is 51. 17 into 3 will be 51. So this is minus 5 is equal to a minus 51. How we got this? Plus 17 into minus 3. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. 17 into 3 is 51. Now this minus 51 I will send this side. It will become plus 51. So this will remain as it is. Minus 5 will remain as it is. This minus 51 will become plus 51 is equal to a. We know that minus 5 plus 51. This will give us plus 46. So a is equal to 46 is equal to a, or a is equal to 46 is the answer. Thank you. This is arithmetic progression exercise 1.2, problem number 3. In this problem they have given value of a, value of d and then value of an. We have to find out what is n. Let us substitute the value. Value of an is 3.6 is equal to value of a is minus 18.9 plus value of n we don't know. So we will write as it is n minus 1 into d means 2.5. Now what we will do? We will write this 3.6 as it is minus 18.9 as it is plus 2.5 into n means 2.5 into n minus 2.5 into 1. So this will be 2.5. Next step is 3.6 minus 18.9. What you should do? You should substitute this minus 18.9 and minus 2.5. If you add them, 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 gets carried. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 11. 1 plus 1 2 again. So it will be 21.4. So what it will be? Minus 21.4. This plus 2.59. Now what I will do? Next step. This minus 21.4 we will send it this side. So this will become plus. This 3.6 I will write as it is 3.6. This minus 21.4 if I send this side it will become plus 21.4 is equal to this will remain here 2.5 n. And if you add 21.4 plus 3.6 it will be 25. 25 is equal to 2.5 n. Or you can write this way 2.5 n is equal to 25. N is equal to 25 divided by 2.5. Why this will happen? Because it is 2.5 into n is equal to 25. Because it is multiplied here, this 2.5 will become divided here. So 25 divided by 2.5. This is nothing but 25 into 10. If you multiply, then this will be divided. Therefore, n is equal to 10. We are going to solve the last problem in this table. They have given value of a, value of d, value of n, and we have to find out value of an. So what we will do, we will substitute the values. Instead of a, we will substitute 3.5 plus instead of n it is 105 minus 1. Instead of d it is going to be into 0. This will be 3.5 as it is plus. I have told you that we have to multiply, we have to first do the bracket thing first. So let us do this first. 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. We know that any number multiplied by 0 is going to give us 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 104 into 0 is 0. So this will become 3.5 plus 104 into 0 is 0. Therefore, an is equal to 3.5. That's it. Thank you so much.